Looking for the best Cricut machines, these top-rated cutting tools make crafting easier and more precise. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIY pro, from intricate paper and vinyl projects to custom apparel and home decor, the right Cricut can bring your creative ideas to life with speed and accuracy. Starting at number 1, Cricut Maker 3. The Cricut Maker 3 is a powerful smart cutting machine designed for crafters of all levels, offering unmatched versatility and precision. It works with over 300 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, leather, matte board, and more, and supports matless cutting with smart materials for projects up to 12 feet long. With up to 2x faster cutting and 10x the cutting force of previous models, it handles intricate designs and tougher materials with ease. The machine can write, draw, score, foil, engrave, and deboss, and it's compatible with home inkjet printers to print and cut full-color designs. Featuring Bluetooth wireless connectivity and the free, easy-to-use Cricut Design Space app for iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, the Maker 3 allows you to upload your own designs or choose from a vast library. Complete with beginner-friendly resources like online courses and live workshops, it's ideal for creating professional quality crafts, custom apparel, home decor, and personalized gifts. Number 2, Cricut Joy Xtra Cutting Machine. The Cricut Joy Extra Cutting Machine is a compact and versatile smart cutting tool ideal for home crafters and beginners. It works with over 50 materials including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, and supports full-color print-then-cut projects using your home inkjet printer. The machine can cut, write, draw, foil, and score designs with precision, all controlled through the free and easy-to-use Cricut Design Space app. With Bluetooth connectivity and a small footprint, the Joy Extra makes creating custom cards, labels, decals, stickers, and other personalized projects quick, convenient, and fun, whether you upload your own designs or choose from the app's extensive library. Number 3, Cricut Venture Cutting Machine. The Cricut Venture is a professional wide-format smart cutting machine designed for large-scale and high-volume projects, giving crafters and small businesses the power to precisely cut over 100 materials at commercial speeds. It features a 25-inch cutting width and can cut and write up to 25.4 inches per second, handle extremely long single images up to 12 feet, and repeated images up to 75 feet, and works with multiple tools to write, foil, and score, tools sold separately. The Venture also supports print then cut with a home inkjet printer for full color designs up to 24 on 28 inches, includes a space-saving 45 degrees design with built-in mat and roll supports, and adjusts for both 13-inch and 25-inch smart materials. It connects with the free Cricut Design Space platform and Bluetooth wireless technology, making it ideal for tackling large signage, big batch projects, and professional level craft work with speed and precision. Number 4, Cricut Explore Air 2. The Cricut Explore Air 2 craft cutting machine in lilac is a versatile and beginner-friendly smart cutting machine that makes DIY projects simple and fun. It can precisely cut over 100 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, glitter paper, and bonded fabrics using the included premium fine point blade, and features fast mode for up to 2x faster cutting and writing on compatible materials. With Bluetooth wireless connectivity and the free Cricut Design Space app for iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, users can create personalized designs, upload their own images, or choose from thousands of ready-to-make projects. The Explore Air 2 also supports multiple tools for cutting, writing, scoring, and foiling, sold separately, and includes built-in storage to keep accessories organized, making it ideal for crafting custom apparel, home decor, cards, and more. Number 5, Cricut Explore 3 Machine. The Cricut Explore 3 machine is a versatile and beginner-friendly smart cutting machine that makes DIY projects faster and easier. It can cut over 100 materials, including vinyl, cardstock, iron-ons, and specialty papers with up to 2x faster performance than the Explore Air 2. Compatible with Smart Materials TM, it allows for matless cutting of designs up to 12 feet long, and it works with 6 different tools for cutting, scoring, writing, and foiling, additional tools sold separately. With Bluetooth wireless connectivity and the free Cricut Design Space app for iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, the Explore 3 lets you create custom labels, cards, apparel, banners, and more with precision and ease.